So yeah, what happened?
So this is the story of our trek to try to get back over here. We're like, yeah, we'll just go through this out of bounds area. And then all of a sudden there's no more trail.
And there's two snowboarders hiking up.
Yeah, and they're like, no bueno, no bueno. So then this guy I was like, how's that looking down there? He was like, not good. And I was like, okay.
So you took it.
So I took it. Rocks.
I'm like, be careful, be careful.
Careful, Blake.
Well, he just disappears as he's falling down. Like,
We got ourselves into some scary steep stuff. Don't know where Nick is. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. Bad idea. There we go.
I'm kind of traversing over and over, and the further I go, there's still more snowboarders just kind of looking at it and not going. Because I found myself in a small couloir. So I straighten my skis, and as soon as I do, go head over heels, yard sail everything. One ski's down there, one ski's way up there.
That's when I got the phone call.
Yeah.
That's when I got the phone call.
The recovery phone call.
The video call. The video.
Dude. Oh yeah, I'm perfectly fine, but look at this, I just went down this couloir right here.
Good.
There's one.
I have